You wake up this morning to go to school at your normal alarm time, 6 a.m., but you just can't seem to get up. Though throughout this entire school year, you've gotten so used to waking up at this time, you suddenly feel incapable. Why? What is happening to you so that you can't wake up? But most importantly, why is it happening? What you're probably experiencing is daylight saving time. And though we probably have all heard about it, do you really know why it happens? Well, first of all, let's start at the beginning. Daylight saving time is when Americans have to set their clocks ahead by 1 hour in spring or late winter, therefore losing 1 hour. They eventually go back to standard time after summer ends. This process has roots back in 1916 Germany during World War I. The USA only adopted the process around 2 years later in 1918. The main reason for adopting the process was to conserve energy. However, states in the US would switch between daylight saving time and standard time at will. This created chaos until 1966 when Congress passed an act which standardized daylight saving time all over the US. So now that we know the history, let's talk about why this process even happens. The thing to remember is that not all countries participate in daylight savings time, but the reason the US and 69 other countries do it is because it creates a way to save energy and get the most out of natural daylight during summer and warmer months. This is because during summer in the USA, which is from June 20th to September 22nd, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. Now Earth is always on a tilt, and that's why when it's summer in the northern hemisphere, it's winter in the southern hemisphere, since as the northern hemisphere tilts slightly towards the southern tilts away from it. This means the northern hemisphere gets more direct sunlight, and the day is longer and it feels hotter. So because of these longer days in the northern hemisphere, we have daylight savings time early in the year, so we can account for the increased daylight from the sun. However, countries in the southern hemisphere like Australia experience daylight savings time later in the year during October. Meanwhile, countries near the equator don't experience it at all as they are equal distances from the sun throughout the year. So next time you can't get up at your usual time, thank the Earth's tilted axis. If you enjoyed or learned anything from this video, a like and a subscribe would be totally appreciated. And thank you for watching.